Problems 36 and 37 on page 329. I had a few questions about this. To work through this, first of all, we just got an equation and we want to divide it. Now, synthetic division will not work on this one because we have an a squared. With synthetic division, remember that we have to start with x, like just x minus r. So what we're going to have on this one is we want to do it with a long division. The whole thing divided by the denominator. I'm going to just add plus 0 just to fill in the space. I don't need an a term because this is starting with a squared. It's kind of skipping the a squared. And so if I divide into this, 3,500 times a squared would give me that. And so multiplying that, I would just have 350,000 here. And we're going to subtract that next because the a squareds are going to cancel out. I'm left with a negative 350,000. Which is my remainder, which is how the book gets its answer on there. They just write the remainder divided by the original denominator. Okay, so that's the first part. The second part, there is a little bit of a trick to it. You're going to be tempted to just plug a into this. And that's where, when I first did it, I was a little confused too, because you're going to get the wrong answer doing this. And the reason is we have to look more carefully at what the variable a is. If we go back to the instruction, it says a is the amount of money spent in hundreds of dollars, which means if it's $1,500, then a should be equal to not 1,500, but it should be 15. It's $1,500. And so here I don't plug in 1,500, I have to plug in 15. And so if you put that in your calculator, you'll get about 2,400.